Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth effortlessly, while others, even with high incomes, struggle to save? The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko answers this question by unveiling surprising insights into how millionaires actually live and build wealth. The book's key message is simple. Most millionaires don't live lavish lifestyles. In fact, many live right next door, driving used cars, living in modest homes, and quietly growing their wealth. These are ordinary people who've accumulated extraordinary wealth through smart financial habits and discipline, not high salaries or inheritance. This video will dive into the habits and mindset of these everyday millionaires and explore how you can adopt their strategies to achieve financial independence. You don't need to earn a massive income to build wealth. Instead, it's about how you manage what you have through frugality, smart investing, and long-term thinking. Stick around as we break down the principles of The Millionaire Next Door and discover how you can start building wealth today, regardless of your income level. Defining wealth. In The Millionaire Next Door, Stanley and Danko redefine what it means to be truly wealthy. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow over time. Many people equate wealth with a high salary, but the authors discovered that real wealth often belongs to those who live modestly and invest wisely, rather than those with the flashiest lifestyles. The authors categorize people into two types: under-accumulators of wealth, or UAWs, and prodigious accumulators of wealth, or PAWs. UAWs are high-income earners who spend most of their money on luxury items, big homes, fancy cars, and vacations. Despite their high income, they have little to show for it in terms of actual net worth. In contrast, PAWs save and invest far beyond what's expected for their income level. They accumulate wealth by prioritizing long-term financial stability over immediate gratification. One of the key revelations from the book is that true wealth is not visible. Most wealthy individuals live below their means, often in modest homes and driving used cars. They avoid debt, save diligently, and invest in appreciating assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. While UAWs may look rich, PAWs are the ones truly building long-term wealth. Stanley and Danko found that the average millionaire spends far less than they earn. They budget carefully, avoid lifestyle inflation, and focus on financial independence rather than keeping up with appearances. For them, wealth is about financial freedom, not material possessions. Understanding the difference between income and wealth is the foundation for changing your financial future. Being a PAW requires making conscious choices about spending, saving, and investing, regardless of your current income level. The habits of millionaires. One of the most striking findings from The Millionaire Next Door is that millionaires share common habits that set them apart from the average person. These habits, frugality, budgeting, and consistent investing, are the foundation of their wealth-building strategy. Frugality is the most defining trait of millionaires. While many people think of frugality as being cheap, for millionaires, it's about being intentional with every dollar they spend. Millionaires don't waste money on extravagant luxuries that don't add long-term value. They focus on spending less than they earn, living in modest homes, driving reliable cars, and avoiding the constant urge to upgrade. By keeping their expenses low, they can save and invest more of their income, allowing their wealth to grow over time. Another cornerstone habit is budgeting. Millionaires plan and track their spending carefully. They don't leave their finances to chance or impulsive purchases. By sticking to a budget, they ensure that they have enough to cover their basic expenses, save for the future, and invest in wealth-building assets. Budgeting isn't about limiting enjoyment, it's about prioritizing where their money goes. Millionaires make sure their money works for them, not the other way around. Investing consistently is another critical habit of millionaires. It's not enough to just save money, but millionaires make their money work for them by investing in assets that grow over time, whether it's real estate, stocks, or bonds. Millionaires understand that long-term investments are key to accumulating wealth. They don't chase get-rich-quick schemes or try to time the market. Instead, they invest steadily, allowing the power of compound interest to build their wealth. Millionaires avoid debt, particularly consumer debt. While they may take on loans for investments like real estate, they steer clear of high-interest debt, like credit card balances. This keeps more of their income available for saving and investing rather than paying interest on purchases that lose value over time. The authors emphasize that these habits, frugality, budgeting, and investing, are not difficult to adopt. They don't require a high income, just discipline and consistency. By mastering these habits, anyone can start building wealth, even on a modest income. The key is to be patient and committed, making smart financial decisions day after day. The millionaire mindset. Millionaires think differently about money. and this mindset is a crucial part of their success. The Millionaire Next Door highlights that becoming wealthy is not just about the habits we've discussed, frugality, budgeting, and investing, but also about how you think and approach financial decisions. The mindset of a millionaire is built around long-term thinking, discipline, and the desire for financial independence. Delayed gratification is one of the key aspects of the millionaire mindset. While many people spend money impulsively for short-term pleasure, millionaires are willing to wait for greater rewards in the future. They understand that financial success comes from making sacrifices today to ensure wealth tomorrow. This means avoiding instant gratification, like buying the latest gadgets or upgrading to a bigger home as soon as their income rises. Another critical part of the millionaire mindset is self-discipline. Millionaires are able to control their spending, stick to their budgets, and avoid the temptation of unnecessary debt. Even as their wealth grows, they don't let their expenses balloon out of control. Instead, they focus on living below their means, regardless of how much money they make. This discipline allows them to continue saving and investing, accelerating their wealth accumulation over time. Millionaires also place a strong emphasis on financial independence. They don't just aim to make a high income, they aim to build wealth that gives them freedom. This includes creating multiple streams of income, investing in assets that generate passive income, and ensuring their money is working for them even when they're not actively working. Financial independence means they aren't tied to a paycheck, and they can make life decisions without being constrained by financial limitations. Stanley and Danko also found that millionaires are comfortable taking calculated risks. They don't gamble their money away on risky ventures, but they understand that some level of risk is necessary to grow wealth. They carefully research investment opportunities, weigh the risks and potential rewards, and make informed decisions. This willingness to take measured risks, rather than playing it safe or relying on luck, allows them to seize opportunities that others might miss. Finally, millionaires are committed to continuous learning. They invest in their own financial education, staying informed about market trends, investment strategies, and new opportunities. This mindset of constant improvement helps them make smarter financial decisions and stay ahead in a changing economic environment. For millionaires, financial growth is a lifelong journey, not just a goal to achieve and then forget. In the end, the millionaire mindset is about thinking long-term, delaying gratification, and being disciplined in both spending and saving. By adopting this mindset, anyone can shift their financial trajectory toward greater wealth and independence. As we wrap up, let's review some of the key lessons from The Millionaire Next Door. The book shows us that wealth is not about high incomes or extravagant lifestyles. It's about living below your means, saving diligently, and investing wisely. Millionaires don't stand out because of flashy spending. They quietly accumulate wealth through financial discipline and smart decisions. One of the biggest takeaways is the power of frugality. Millionaires avoid unnecessary spending and focus on making intentional financial choices. They resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation, ensuring that their income goes toward building wealth instead of buying things that lose value. This mindset of frugality is what allows them to consistently grow their net worth over time. Another key point is the importance of budgeting. Millionaires create and stick to budgets that prioritize saving and investing over luxury purchases. By controlling their spending, they ensure they have the financial flexibility to build wealth. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about having a clear plan for where your money goes, helping you stay on track toward your financial goals. Finally, millionaires possess a unique mindset. They think long-term, practice delayed gratification, and take calculated risks to grow their wealth. This disciplined, goal-oriented mindset sets them apart and allows them to achieve financial independence. The key to lasting wealth is not luck. It's about consistent effort and making smart financial decisions over time. In conclusion, The Millionaire Next Door teaches us that anyone can become financially independent by adopting these millionaire habits and mindsets. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship.